How to make a voice call on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can voice call, how you can call through Instagram app. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you just need to go to Play Store on your device, and then here you have to just search for Instagram and then make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, after updating your Instagram, just open the Instagram app, and then here on the top right corner there is a message icon. Simply you need to click on it, and then here you have to select the particular name to whom you want to make a voice call or normal call. Just click on it, and then here on the top you can see the calling icon. So you can let me just say you, before this you must follow each other to get this option. Okay, you must follow each other. Now here you have to just click on it, and then it is going. So this is a voice call. This is how you can create or make a voice call on Instagram. Thanks for watching.